In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Cloud Storage, commonly known as GCS. It's Google's object storage solution and can be accessed using a variety of tools and methods. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step, focusing on using the Google Cloud Console, which is the web-based graphical interface provided by Google. This is one of the most user-friendly ways to manage your storage resources, especially if you're more comfortable navigating through your browser. First things first, what you want to do is navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you're signed into the account that you want to use for accessing Google Cloud Storage. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. From this menu, you're going to select Cloud Storage, and then click on Overview. This will bring up your storage buckets, which are essentially containers that hold your data in Google Cloud Storage. Now that you're in the Overview section, you have several options at your disposal. You can create new buckets if you're starting from scratch or need additional storage units for organizing your data. Buckets serve as the primary method for organizing and storing your objects in the cloud. So, if you want to create a new one, simply follow the on-screen instructions in the console. In addition to creating buckets, you can also upload or download files, often referred to as objects in storage terminology. This is where you store your data, like photos, videos, or other formats. You'll find options to either drag and drop your files directly into the console or use the more traditional methods of browsing through your computer to find what you need. Another important aspect of managing your data is organization. The Google Cloud Console allows you to build and manage folder structures within your buckets. This helps in keeping your data neat and well organized, making it easier for you to find and manage your objects later on. Setting access permissions is also a crucial part of using Google Cloud Storage. The console allows you to configure permissions using Identity and Access Management, or IAM, and access control lists, known as ACLs. These tools ensure that only the people you want to have access to your data can get it, giving you robust control over your stored objects. Lastly, the Google Cloud Console offers monitoring capabilities. You can track your storage use, keep an eye on your bucket activities, and, if necessary, enable versioning. Versioning is especially useful when you need to retain different variations or generations of your files. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access and manage your Google Cloud storage using the Google Cloud Console. Whether you're creating buckets, uploading files, or managing permissions, these features offer a comprehensive way to control and organize your data in the cloud.